Welcome to AZ Home Decor, your destination for exploring extraordinary homes where timeless architecture meets modern luxury and thoughtful design. Today, we invite you on an inspiring journey through a Dream Spanish Colonial House that beautifully combines classic architectural heritage with elegant contemporary interiors and exceptional outdoor living spaces. Every corner of this remarkable residence reflects a deep appreciation for craftsmanship, natural materials, and sophisticated details that have defined Spanish colonial design for generations. From graceful arched entryways and handcrafted wooden doors to warm terracotta roof tiles, textured white stucco walls, exposed timber beams, and artisan wrought iron accents, each feature contributes to an atmosphere that feels welcoming, refined, and effortlessly luxurious. As we move through this stunning home, you'll discover inviting living spaces filled with natural light, beautifully appointed rooms that balance comfort with elegance, peaceful open courtyards that blur the line between indoors and outdoors, and carefully landscaped gardens designed for relaxation and entertaining. Whether you're searching for inspiration for your own dream home or simply appreciate beautiful architecture and timeless interior design, this tour is filled with ideas that celebrate warmth, character, and enduring style. Take a moment to enjoy every detail. Imagine yourself living in these remarkable spaces and experience how traditional Spanish colonial architecture can be reimagined for modern living without losing its authentic charm. Before we begin, please like this video. Subscribe to AZ Home Decor for more inspiring luxury home tour, and leave a comment below sharing which space becomes your favorite as we explore this beautiful residence together. One of the most captivating features of this dream home is its stunning open courtyard and outdoor living environment. Surrounded by graceful arches and lush landscaping, the courtyard serves as a peaceful extension of the interior living spaces. Comfortable seating areas, elegant fountains, and natural stone paving create a resort-like atmosphere ideal for relaxation and entertaining. Covered terraces provide shade and comfort while preserving a strong connection to the surrounding landscape. Vibrant greenery and colorful flowering plants soften the architecture and bring life to every outdoor space. Large glass doors create seamless transitions between indoor and outdoor environments, enhancing the home's sense of openness and flow. Together, these beautifully designed spaces celebrate the outdoor lifestyle while maintaining an atmosphere of luxury and tranquility. The kitchen serves as the heart of the home, combining traditional craftsmanship with modern functionality in a beautifully designed environment. Custom wood cabinetry introduces warmth and character, while natural stone countertops provide durability and timeless appeal. Elegant tile details add visual interest and celebrate the artisanal traditions often found in classic Spanish colonial homes. State-of-the-art appliances are seamlessly integrated into the design, ensuring convenience without disrupting the home's authentic aesthetic. Large windows invite natural light into the space, creating an airy atmosphere that enhances both beauty and practicality. A spacious island offers room for meal preparation, casual dining, and social interaction, making the kitchen ideal for everyday living and entertaining alike. Every element works together to create a space that feels refined, functional, and welcoming. The primary bedroom offers a peaceful retreat where comfort and elegance come together in perfect harmony. Exposed wood beams, soft neutral colors, and natural materials establish a tranquil atmosphere that encourages rest and relaxation. Large arched doors open to private outdoor views, allowing natural light to fill the room throughout the day. Carefully selected furnishings provide luxury and comfort while maintaining the home's cohesive architectural style. Rich textures from woven fabrics, handcrafted furniture, and layered textiles create visual warmth and depth. The connection between indoor comfort and outdoor beauty enhances the sense of serenity that defines this private sanctuary. Every detail has been thoughtfully considered to create a bedroom that feels timeless, sophisticated, and deeply inviting. The bathroom continues the home's commitment to elegance through a combination of luxurious materials and thoughtful design. Natural stone surfaces, handcrafted tilework, and warm wood accents create a refined environment inspired by high-end spa retreats. Expansive mirrors and carefully positioned lighting enhance brightness, while emphasizing the beauty of the architectural details. Freestanding soaking tubs and spacious walk-in showers provide comfort and relaxation within a sophisticated setting. Subtle decorative elements contribute personality without overwhelming the clean and timeless aesthetic. Soft textures and calming tones reinforce the peaceful atmosphere that flows throughout the residence. This carefully crafted space demonstrates how luxury can be expressed through simplicity, quality materials, and exceptional attention to detail. The journey begins at the home's impressive entrance, where timeless Spanish colonial architecture immediately establishes a sense of elegance and authenticity. Smooth white stucco walls provide a beautiful contrast to the rich terracotta roof tiles that define the home's distinctive silhouette. Large handcrafted wooden doors, framed by graceful arches, create a welcoming focal point while showcasing exceptional artisan craftsmanship. Decorative wrought iron lanterns and carefully selected stone details add layers of texture and character that enrich the overall design. Mature landscaping, flowering plants, and natural stone pathways soften the architecture and connect the residence to its surroundings. Warm sunlight highlights every detail, revealing the beauty of traditional materials that have remained beloved for generations. Together, these architectural elements create a memorable first impression, filled with timeless charm and refined sophistication. Stepping into the living room reveals a space that perfectly balances traditional Spanish colonial character with contemporary luxury. Exposed wooden ceiling beams draw the eye upward, adding warmth and architectural depth while reinforcing the home's authentic heritage. Large arched windows allow abundant natural light to illuminate textured plaster walls, natural stone flooring, and carefully selected furnishings. Soft, neutral tones create a calming backdrop that enhances the beauty of handcrafted materials and decorative accents throughout the room. Comfortable seating arrangements encourage relaxation, while maintaining an atmosphere of understated elegance. Thoughtfully layered lighting adds warmth during the evening hours and highlights the room's beautiful textures and architectural details. The result is a sophisticated gathering space that feels welcoming, comfortable, and effortlessly stylish. As our tour comes to an end, this Dream Spanish Colonial House stands as a beautiful example of how timeless architecture can be thoughtfully adapted for modern living. From its elegant arched entryways and handcrafted materials to its sophisticated interiors and inviting outdoor spaces, every element has been designed to create comfort, beauty, and lasting appeal. The seamless blend of traditional craftsmanship and contemporary refinement results in a home that feels both luxurious and welcoming. Each room contributes to a cohesive atmosphere where warmth, elegance, and functionality exist in perfect balance. Whether you were inspired by the architecture, the interiors, or the outdoor living spaces, this residence offers countless ideas for creating a home filled with character and sophistication. Thank you for joining us on AZ Home Decor as we explored this remarkable property and celebrated the enduring beauty of Spanish colonial design. If you enjoyed this tour, please like the video, subscribe for more luxury home inspiration, and leave a comment below sharing your favorite space in this extraordinary home.